Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we have the unboxing of the Simple Paper March 2026 decorative kit, and I am so excited because it was stuck in all of that snow somewhere and the tracking just kind of disappeared. It just said delayed. And so then I walked out this morning and it was at my mailbox, and that made me so happy because it did get here before March. So that's exciting. Here's our March dashboard. It's this nice thick cardboard, and it's got some pretty spring flowers and this pretty shade of green up here in the corner. Next we have our numbers for the month, and they come in two colors. So you have this pink and this green. Here's our March calendar sticker. Beautiful spring flowers. These look like possibly hollyhocks, but I'm not sure. These are bluebells. Here are some miscellaneous stickers. We have a teacup here with the bluebells on it, a mallard duck and a duckling, some gloves, a spring hat, a thermos, a camera, a wicker suitcase or picnic basket, the umbrella with the pink and the green plaid. Very pretty the way she ties things in with the colors. Now we have some travel stickers. This kit is called Springbound, so you can see we're traveling towards spring. You've got a washi here of a train, a traveler's notebook, and a little sticker that says all aboard. Very cute. Oh, I love these colors. This is the torn washi, and you can just see the beautiful colors, the blue, the yellow, the green, and the pink. Some floral torn washi, the train going over a bridge. Looks like a ticket. It says dining car on it. Here are our postage stamp lookalikes. Again, with the travel, the train, different scenes that you might see out the train window. Here's our Polaroid, two Polaroids, some edge pieces. Here's the bluebells again. Here's our sheet with the film strip. I love this view of the sheep on the hill. The three color swatches. We've got the conductor's hat and a cup of tea, little cottage, and a stone bridge. And our swatches are kind of a mauvey pink, a yellow, and a green, moss green, but they're kind of muted. So not bright pastel. Very pretty. There's our train again, conductor hat, watch, a bench with some luggage, like they're waiting. View from a window with a full tea set, boots, and another traveler's notebook. We have some honey, the cottage with the train and the ducks in the pond, an elegant tea set, a basket with a loaf of bread and some jam preserves. Another train sticker, and this cute little English robin on the fence post. It's so cute. Beautiful florals. And the green, the yellow, the blue, and the pink. So pretty. Here's our page of cancellations, like stamps, like you would stamp on something. Southern Railway. Neat. Days of the week. And it has that muted green behind it. Larger florals, just individual, some with leaves, some with not. Pretty. And here's our last page with floral clusters, bunches of florals. Let's go through it again. Clusters of florals, individual large florals, days of the week with the green backing, cancellations, assorted florals, border edges, scenic stickers, some more scenery and individual stickers, our film strip with swatches, our Polaroids, our stamps, our torn washi, some more torn washi, some more stickers, individual stickers, our March header and March calendar with some florals, our dates, our numbers, and our March dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate any time you spend on my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.